Divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by one-digit numbers. Let's give it a shot. So it says divide 4,500 by 5. Now, this is a deceptively simple problem, and when we're talking about dividing by one-digit numbers in this context, it can be as easy as two-digit division. This is as easy as what we were doing. There are just extra zeros involved. Let me show you what I mean. So when I say 4,500, I could write that as 45 hundreds, right? 45 sets of 100. Well, if I can divide that by 5, I can divide 45 by 5s and find out, or by 5, and find out how many hundreds I still have. And I know that 5 divided by 45, I'm not going to keep doing this, but I'll do it one more time. Ooh, man, I'm getting some serious glare here. 1 second. Sorry about that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9 hundreds. And think about that. If I have 45 blocks that are labeled 100 each, and I divide them into 5 groups, each group is going to have 9 hundreds in it. 45 hundreds divided by 5 is 9 hundreds. In other words, 4,500 divided by 5 is 900. Now, 300 divided by 5 is a little bit different, right? I can't do 3 divided by 5, at least not yet. But I can do 30 divided by 5. And then there's just that one extra zero at the end, which just kind of carries along, because I'm dealing in tens now. We talked about this before in like 1st and 2nd grade, that 300 is the same thing as 30 tens. Well, if I have 30 tens and I divide them into 5 groups, that's 6 tens, which is 60. Another way that I divide by 5, by the way, in case it's helpful to you, is I divide by 10 and then double it. That seems to work out good for me. So 300 divided by 10 would be 30, right? Just cut the 0 off, and then double it to 60. Just another way to get to the same place. 180 divided by 6. Well, I know 18 divided by 6 is 3. Carry along that last 0 because, again, we're dealing with 18 tens. So that 3 that we got isn't just 3, it's 3 tens, or 30. Here's a nice simple one. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Which means that 280 divided by 7 is 40, right? Same thing, just add a 0. And 2800 divided by 7 would be 400. I like this kind of problem because it really shows you the pattern involved. These zeros, so long as the 28 divides evenly without remainder, the zeros just kind of carry along for the ride. 42 divided by 7 is 6. So 42 hundreds divided by 7 is 6 hundreds. 4,000 divided by 8, again, I can't do 4 divided by 8 directly, not in 4th grade yet anyway, but I can do 40 divided by 8, which is 5 hundreds. And finally, 240 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3 is 8, so 24 tens divided by 3 would be 8 tens, or 80. Not bad. And that's divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by one-digit numbers. You will come to appreciate multiples of 10 and 100 and 1000 as you continue in your mathematical career, because they're usually very easy to work with.